wondered what it would be like living in a place where every resident knows their rights and duties, a community where civic engagement is not just encouraged but celebrated. Welcome to Nainital Cantonment, India's first constitutionally literate cantonment, and the mastermind behind this incredible transformation, a visionary IDES officer named Varun Kumar. Stick around to discover how one man's dream turned into a powerful movement, changing lives forever. Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. I am Muskan Khandilwal. Let's begin. Varun Kumar, a 2021 batch Indian Defence Estate Services or IDES officer who is the CEO of Nainital Cantonment, embarked on a mission that would soon captivate the entire region. His journey began not with a grand plan but with a simple yet profound realization during his UPSC preparation. While many civil service aspirants master the intricacies of the constitution, the general public often remains unaware of their fundamental rights and responsibilities. This disparity in knowledge struck him as a threat to the very essence of democracy, which thrives on informed and engaged citizens. Determined to bridge this knowledge gap, Varun envisioned a transformative project. His goal was clear: to make Nainital Cantonment the first constitutionally literate cantonment in India. The initiative was not just about education, it was about empowerment. It aimed to infuse the community with a deep understanding of their constitutional rights and duties, creating a model that would inspire similar movements across the country. The planning phase was extensive and meticulous. Kumar and his team recognized that achieving widespread constitutional literacy required a multifaceted approach. They started by forging partnerships with some of India's premier educational institutions. JNU, IIT Kanpur and LSR College were among the institutions that came on board, providing interns who were not only academically qualified but also skilled in communication and public engagement. These interns were tasked with a crucial role to lead the awareness campaign. They began by conducting a baseline survey to assess the community's existing knowledge of the Constitution. This survey revealed a sobering truth. Only 12 to 13% of the local population had a basic understanding of constitutional principles. This data was vital, serving as both a diagnostic tool and a guide for developing targeted educational content. The campaign kicked off with a door-to-door surveys where interns personally engaged with residents. These interactions were not merely about collecting data, they were about starting conversations. The interns shared information, answered questions, and built rapport with the community. But the campaign didn't stop at individual interactions. To reach a broader audience, Varun and his team cooperated with various engaging methods. Educational workshops were held in community centers and schools, focusing on the Constitution's key components, its preamble, fundamental rights and duties. These workshops were designed to be interactive, using real-life scenarios to explain constitutional concepts and their relevance in everyday life. One of the most innovative aspects of the campaign was the use of Nukkad Natak or street plays. These performances were held across 40 to 50 locations in Nainital, turning streets into vibrant stages for constitutional education. Collaborating with local and national theatrical groups, the team created plays that brought constitutional values to life in an engaging and memorable way. To further amplify their message, the campaign utilized various media tools. LED screens were set up in key locations, displaying educational content about the Constitution. These screens featured information on the preamble, fundamental rights and duties, making constitutional knowledge readily available to anyone passing by. Additionally, the campaign included screening of the Making of the Constitution series by Shyam Benegal, providing a deeper historical context and enriching the educational experience. However, the journey was not without its challenges. One of the initial hurdles was resistance from some of the residents who were wary of the campaign's intentions. Concerns about privacy and the intrusion of students into their homes posed significant obstacles. To address these concerns, the officer and his team organized meetings with local leaders and representatives. Weather conditions also posed a challenge. Nainital, being a hill station, experienced heavy rains during the camping period, which occasionally disrupted outdoor events. Another significant challenge was ensuring the safety and comfort of students conducting surveys and educational activities. To address this, local Jawans were enlisted to accompany the students. This not only provided protection but also facilitated smoother interaction with residents. After 3 months of dedicated effort, the results were nothing short of remarkable. A follow-up survey revealed a dramatic increase in constitutional awareness, with 95 to 96% of the population now knowledgeable about their rights and duties. The achievement was celebrated on September 8, 2023 with a special event attended by Brigadier Gaurav Bagga and other dignitaries, officially recognizing Nainital Cant as India's first constitutionally literate cantonment. The impact of the campaign extended beyond Nainital. The success story has set a precedent for other regions. Following the initiative's recognition by the Ministry of Defense and accolades from high-ranking officials, there are plans to replicate the model in Almora. This expansion aims to foster a nationwide movement towards greater constitutional awareness and civic responsibility. The feedback from Nainital's residents has been overwhelmingly positive. People are now more engaged in their civic duties and better informed about their rights and responsibilities. The initiative has not only educated the community but also inspired a sense of empowerment and ownership over their democratic rights. Looking ahead, the initiative plans to sustain and expand its impact through continuous engagement, celebrating Constitution Day and other significant national events with educational activities will keep constitutional principles in the public eye. Ongoing visibility through LED displays and active involvement of civil society in awareness efforts are also part of the strategy to ensure that constitutional literacy remains a dynamic and integral part of the community life. Nainital Cantonment stands as a shining example of what can be achieved when vision and dedication come together. The story of this pioneering initiative serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative impact of constitutional education. As we move forward, let this success inspire other regions to embrace and champion constitutional literacy, strengthening democracy and empowering citizens across the nation. So this was all for today. Until then, I am Muskan Khandilwal signing off. Stay curious, stay informed and stay tuned to Indian Masterminds.